I will sing a song of a tragic event that happened on the 16th of April 1923, when 6 IRA men took shelter in the caves of Clashmailcan on the North Kerry coastline between Ballydonoghue and Causeway. Here they were trapped by a Free State column. It's called Clashmailcan. Being on a Sunday morning, all in a month of spring, the rifle shots rang in our ears when we heard the church bells ring, and louder still the shots rang out. You could hear their thunderous roar, while an ambush it had taken place down by the Shannon shore. The rebels were in their fighting place when an armed foe came on. They fired on them most fiercely, while they numbered 10 to 1. They held the fight till nearly night. Alas, they wasted their store. They pitched their camp that fateful night down by the Shannon shore. In Dunward's cave they took their stand, their last in Ireland's ride. 4 days and nights with rapid fire, they nobly held the fight. Then worn out without relief, at last they did give o'er. They yielded to their enemies down by the Shannon shore. Mugra and Shay were washed away as the foaming tide did rise. Their comrades knew that they were doomed when they heard their drowning cries. They knew they could not hold the fight, being then reduced to 4. They gave their lives for Ireland down by the Shannon shore. Granny Mac and Hathaway in handcuffs were firmly bound. They were taken into Tralee jail, and guilty they were found. Placed before a firing squad, who on them lead did pour. And now they sleep in martyrs' graves, far away from the Shannon shore. Their leader was a noble man, with heart both true and bold. He knew that death would be his fate when the rope was caught, we're told. Timothy Lyons, it was his name, from a place called Ballydonoghue. He met his doom at an early bloom down by the Shannon shore. And now to end this mournful rhyme, I have no more to say. The cave will be a touring place, and that for many a day. May God reward those gallant souls, and on them blessings pour. Console their friends who miss them gone, far away from the Shannon shore.